Imagine seeing an animal that disappeared from Earth thousands of years ago, walking again.
For centuries, extinct animals existed only in fossils, museums, and human imagination.
But now, scientists are attempting something once thought impossible. They are working to bring extinct species back to life. And the first target is one of the most famous creatures in history. The woolly mammoth disappeared around 4,000 years ago. Yet frozen remains preserved in Arctic ice still contain valuable genetic information. That DNA may hold the key to bringing the species back. Researchers are comparing mammoth DNA with its closest living relative. The Asian elephant may help scientists recreate key mammoth characteristics. But bringing back an extinct animal is far more complicated than simply finding its DNA. Too many breaks in the helix. We need to find a viable segment. Wait, the nanobots are initiating the repair sequence on strand 4Q.
To solve this problem, researchers use gene editing technology called CRISPR.
CRISPR allows scientists to edit genes with extraordinary precision. Researchers are introducing mammoth traits into the DNA of modern Asian elephants.
The goal is not a perfect mammoth, but an elephant with key mammoth characteristics.
Scientists hope these genetic changes could help the animal survive in extreme cold environments. Scientists hope these genetic changes could help the animal survive in extreme cold environments.
Some companies believe the first mammoth-like calf could be born within the next decade. Researchers are also exploring advanced reproductive technologies to make this possible. For the first time in history, humanity may be closer than ever to reversing extinction.
But not everyone believes bringing extinct animals back is a good idea.
Some experts argue that resources should be spent protecting animals that are still alive today. Others believe de-extinction could help restore damaged ecosystems. Scientists believe mammoth-like animals might even help slow Arctic climate change. By sequencing the DNA from these specimens, we are closer than ever to de-extinction. The mammoth is our primary focus. The famous dodo bird is one of the leading candidates for de-extinction. Researchers are also studying the Tasmanian tiger, a predator declared extinct in the 20th century.
But there is one question people ask more than any other. Could scientists ever bring back dinosaurs?
Most scientists say no. Dinosaur DNA is simply too old and too degraded to recover. If scientists succeed, the first mammoth-like calf could become one of the most important animals in modern history. For the first time in thousands of years, a species carrying mammoth traits could walk the earth again. Researchers hope these animals could eventually help restore parts of the Arctic ecosystem. But releasing genetically engineered animals into the wild would require extreme caution. Many important questions still remain unanswered. How will these animals behave? How will ecosystems respond? And what responsibilities come with this technology? At the same time, Advances in genetic engineering are accelerating faster than ever before.
The next 20 years could transform our understanding of extinction itself.
What once seemed impossible is now being explored inside real laboratories around the world. The age of de-extinction may be just beginning, and the creatures of the past could soon become part of our future.
Would you support bringing extinct animals back to life? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more science and future technology documentaries.